Imagine waking up one morning and taking a trip to Mars is as easy as booking a flight to another country. Space tourism, colonies on distant planets, and cosmic mining operations, it all sounds like science fiction, but it's a future that's closer than you might think. The real question is, how will that future change life here on Earth? Forever. Welcome to a world redefined by space. This isn't just about escaping Earth or living on other planets. It's about revolutionizing life here, tackling our biggest challenges, and unlocking potentials we've only dreamed of. Let's start with technology. The demands of space travel have pushed scientists and engineers to create some of the most sophisticated tools humanity has ever seen. Many of those advancements come back to Earth, transforming daily life. Think about your smartphone, GPS navigation, weather forecasts, even the LED lights you see every day. Each was born from space exploration. And it doesn't stop there. The future of space travel means even bigger technological leaps. Imagine solar power stations in orbit, collecting pure, clean energy directly from the sun and beaming it down to Earth. Entire cities powered by the sun with no pollution, no emissions. A truly green revolution that could power entire nations without a drop of fossil fuel. Even medicine is about to change. Space environments push human biology to its limits, leading to new treatments for conditions like osteoporosis, muscle atrophy, and immune system degradation. In the near future, treatments developed in zero gravity could help people on Earth live healthier, longer lives. And speaking of the future, let's talk about the next generation. Imagine a world where children are growing up learning not just about Earth's history but the history of space exploration, learning about life on Mars, watching their own friends or family members work on the moon, building new settlements. And it's not just those who go to space. Virtual reality and augmented reality will allow anyone to experience space without leaving their homes. Imagine putting on a headset and instantly exploring a Martian landscape or walking around on the moon seeing the stars closer than ever before, all without lifting off the ground. But let's not forget about resources. Earth's resources are limited, but in space, they're virtually endless. Scientists are already eyeing asteroids rich in metals like platinum and gold, resources we use in everything from electronics to medical devices. Just one of these asteroids could contain enough materials to meet our planet's needs for centuries, ending the need for environmentally destructive mining operations on Earth. Imagine what that means for our planet. No more ripping up landscapes for minerals, no more risking ecosystems for resources we desperately need. Instead, we'd have a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable Earth, one where we can focus on healing the planet instead of depleting it. And it's not just about scarcity. Space exploration could unite us in ways we never expected. Think of it, countries working together, sharing resources and knowledge, focused on common goals that transcend borders. A global community, driven by the spirit of exploration and the possibilities waiting beyond our atmosphere. Space travel doesn't just expand our physical horizons, it expands our sense of identity. People across the globe will no longer see themselves as citizens of a single country, but as members of a species with a common destiny, reaching for the stars. And in doing so, will foster an unprecedented sense of unity. Solving global problems will look different in this future too. From climate change to food scarcity, the discoveries made in space research could hold solutions we desperately need. Picture astronauts experimenting with climate-resistant crops, habitats that can thrive in extreme conditions, and sustainable energy solutions, all of which will come back to Earth, helping to feed and fuel a growing population. But perhaps the most profound change is one of perspective. The more we explore, the more we realize how small our problems are compared to the vastness of space. Seeing Earth from space reminds us that we're all on this tiny blue planet together, fragile and connected. So, how will space travel change life on Earth forever? In every way you can imagine, and many we have yet to discover. From revolutionizing technology and healing the planet to uniting us as one human family reaching for the stars, space travel is not just about leaving Earth, it's about transforming it. The journey has only just begun, and the future? It's beyond anything we can imagine. And join us as we explore humanity's next great adventure,